Yeah, hello and welcome to a short video brought to you by Certara Support. My name is Bernd Wendt and I'm the head of the Global Certara Support Organization. What I want to show you today in this brief video is how you can activate your Phoenix license on a local computer. What you typically have and where you start from is you already have a Phoenix installation in place. If you open up Phoenix, it shows you there are no licenses. And when the application opens up, it comes up with this error message that there is no framework license. Okay, what you need to do to activate the license is you need to start Phoenix as an administrator because you need administrative rights for activation of the license. And this is just done through the right mouse click on the Phoenix icon and click Run as Administrator. And it will open up once you provide your credentials. Oops. In the same manner, no license, we get the error message, no framework license. And we'll just go into the Edit Preferences menu, back to here into the licensing section, and you see the license acquisition now with administrative rights active. You can click on that and you see some description of what named user licensing is all about. We switch to the online tab and it shows you, we need to connect to a Certara web service. So your Phoenix application through the internet needs to connect to this. And we first need to test whether this connection is successful or not. And the test shows you, yes, we got a connection to our Certara web service. The next thing is you need to enter the authorization code into this field, and that's typically what you receive from our licensing team. This is our typical licensing message with two attachments. One is a user guide to install the license, and the other one is a sub-license agreement. But the most important information is here in the table. You see the product code and a description of the product, which in this case is a bundled license for Winanden, NLME, IBIVC, and CDISC. The number of users is typically 1 for a local license and the expiration date. The other two columns just contains hyperlinks to, in this case, a Phoenix licensing wizard that you don't need for local installations. This is just for server installations. And the download link, if you haven't done so already, you can download the Phoenix software and install it from this. But this is the actual authorization code that we need for a license activation. So we just copy it into our buffer and go back to Phoenix and paste it into this field and press activate. And it shows you the license is activated. I say, okay. What I need to do is I need to restart Phoenix to show this in effect. So I can now start with just clicking Phoenix as a typical user. And you see already there are some lights showing up here in the licenses for Winanden, NLME, and IBIVC. And when you go back to Edit Preferences and Licensing, License Management, you see this is the active license, type of named user. It's acquired and expires on the very last day of 2021. And just in order to check this is running, you can just create a new project, and it will create a new project. This shows you that there's actually the license is available. You can maybe insert some objects, right? This shows you have a license and you should be able to run it. This is the end of the short tutorial. Hope this will help you install your Phoenix license. Thank you.